Good day. My name is Yolanda Fajardo Cárdenas. Step 2 Comprehend Intellectual Property. Tutor Víctor Manuel Rodríguez. Obstacles to registering intellectual property. Lack of information on benefits impulse. Waste of time, loss of money at the time of documentation, equals then to head a heading of the registry and lose their intellectual property. Delays in filing financial loss, copy intellectual property. The recommendation. I recommend identifying the place where intellectual property can be registered and reviewing the information received very well. Thank you.